Now let's tokenize the printed circuit board's design and manufacturing processes. The electronics industry is powered by innovation and cemented by ownership. It's this synergy that fuels the groundbreaking discoveries we see today. Introducing NFT-PCB, pronounced as Nifty PCB, a platform that takes non-fungible tokens and printed circuit boards and fuses them together, creating a space where your ideas can flourish and your intellectual property is secured. Nifty PCB is where your creativity meets the future of electronics. Traditionally, creating and owning printed circuit board designs has been a complex and tedious process. The old-school methods of PCB design involved a labor-intensive journey, from drafting on paper to translating designs digitally through multiple EDA softwares, and then producing physical prototypes. These conventional methods, while reliable, often stifled creativity and slowed down the pace of innovation. Enter NFT-PCB, the platform that's shaking up the electronics world. Here, the process is streamlined and efficient, with a user-friendly interface that allows you to drag, drop, and connect components effortlessly. The innovative approach lets you focus on what truly matters: your ideas, your creativity, your brilliance. But NFT-PCB doesn't just simplify the design process, it revolutionizes ownership. Each design is minted as a unique non-fungible token, ensuring your intellectual property is secure on the blockchain. With NFT-PCB, the future of printed circuit boards design is here. Nifty PCB is more than just a platform for creating printed circuit board designs. It's a revolutionary space where electronic design meets digital ownership. By leveraging the power of non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, NFT-PCB ensures that your unique designs are protected on the blockchain. This is not just about securing your intellectual property, it's about creating a legacy that is uniquely yours, but the innovation doesn't stop at ownership. NFT-PCB fosters a vibrant community of creators. You can connect with fellow innovators from around the globe, share your ideas, and co-create the future of electronics. Collaboration is not just encouraged, it's at the very heart of our platform. And let's not forget about the marketplace. Your designs are more than just circuits on a board. They're valuable assets in the digital realm. On NFT-PCB, you can showcase your designs to the world, and if you choose, trade and monetize your genius. Your brilliance can become your business. The benefits of NFT-PCB are limitless. Imagine a world where your creativity is not just celebrated but protected and rewarded. A world where you can collaborate with like-minded individuals and push the boundaries of what's possible in electronics. This is what NFT-PCB offers. NFT-PCB is revolutionizing the electronics industry by empowering innovators and securing ownership. So step into the future of electronics with us, where your ideas take flight and your creations are truly your own.